Well, as I'm starting my Battlebot build, everyone loves an unboxing. This is actually my first box that I've got in. As you can tell, they're what it is, but these two came today, so it should be some lithium to get started. Haven't done a whole lot of lithium batteries before. Kind of a learning experience a little bit, so I went ahead and went fairly inexpensive on my batteries. Just to try it, kind of get a size, a feel, and how well I like them. So there should be some batteries, a charger, some odds and ends. We'll see what this one's got. So right there, that's all's in that box. Oh. Trying to get it where everyone can see here. 3S 8000C. These are soft packs. I was able to get quite a bit higher C rating and a higher milliamp hour capacity for the same price. Comes with little stickers and instruction manual. And 2 batteries. So these are pretty good sized batteries. They're not as big as actually I figured they'd be for a 3S. This one here will be the exact same thing. More stickers. And there's a lot of reasons I went with the Ovonics after doing a bunch of research kind of on different batteries and different manufacturers and different reviews, and a lot of my views of her research has been, well, YouTube. It's a great resource for kind of looking at new things. If you're looking at buying something, you'll find information on pretty much anything on there. Ovonics were, no one ever had a bad review about them. There were obviously some better batteries than these. There were definitely some worse batteries than these. These actually had the extension on the balance port. And these all have the Deans, which I'm going to use Deans for everything I'm doing. Deans were pretty cheap, and to me they seem like they hold a pretty good amount of current as it is. I've been playing with the Deans connectors on other stuff. But these would be my drive batteries. So there's those. Let's go ahead and open up a couple in here, and there should be a charger. I went ahead and got a dual battery charger, and there also should be some more batteries. All sorts of stuff in this one. Let's see. Well, the wife ordered a USB card for this camera here, so I could have my own SD card out here because I'm using her camera to record all this. So, and what else we got? 10 pieces. It says battery on it. This has to be the Dean's plug. If it's not, I'm really disappointed on the batteries I bought. Oh, okay. These are battery testers. So just a little LiPo battery tester. Might as well go ahead and plug one in now and see what it looks like. These things were so cheap, I just bought a 10-pack. Let's see. So positive goes on that end. Oh, scared the crap out of me. Those are loud. 11.3 total. 3.79. 3.79. 3.78. Yeah, it's pretty darn close. Go ahead and test the other one here on this pack. .3, 379, 379, 379. That's definitely good. They were put into storage for the game. Go ahead and check these here. Always want to make sure you check your batteries as soon as you get them. That way, if there's ever a problem with them, you can call the company and they should take care of them right away. All 379 there, all balanced out good. And this little beeper on this thing is really, really loud. Okay, that definitely looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and leave this tester out for now because I am going to test the other batteries I got in here the same way. What we got here? Alright, here's a package of my Dean connectors. I went ahead and got these pigtails. 12 gauge wire. Everything's already installed and heat shrinked. That way I can just butt splice them together. I could have just got the ends and soldered them on, but these were so inexpensive. Makes it much easier to do and quicker to do. We'll get 2 packs of those. Okay, and here's my 2S like those. More instructions and stickers. And these do have foam padding in the box. At least they do put some shipping and stuff in there. And these are 6200 milliamp hour 50C 2S. And these are a hard case. Here's the last one. And this is another 2S. This is just a 500 milliamp. This is actually for Sandy's crawler. She just got a RC crawler, so I went ahead and got her a LiPo for it. I definitely have no shortage of Ovonic stickers now, which that's alright, they're green, didn't mess with anything. And here's my charger I got. Had really good reviews, everyone seemed to like it. I got the C240 Duo. Let's just open her up and get right to it. It's just the battery charger. Everyone's seen battery chargers, but we'll see what we get when we open her up. Piece of paper, shipping. What we got here? Okay, we got a balance board. Another balance board, AC adapter, and this one does have the variety of cables, and same thing, all these take Dean's plugs, so makes it convenient. Here's the charger. It's actually not as big as I thought it would be. I figured it'd actually be quite a bit bigger than that. But that's it. So it's 240 watt. But now that's divided among the two apparently. But we'll go ahead and get this hooked up, charge up some batteries and see what happens. And then if I have any problems with anything, I'll definitely do a video about it. Kind of show us along. Here actually is an instruction booklet in here. But like I said, I'll go ahead and get these. But we can get this on the charger and see how it goes. And since we're just getting started and doing a couple big projects here, some of this stuff is not the cheapest in the world, but I am trying to do this as cheap as possible. So it didn't cost you anything. It would be real helpful. Go ahead and subscribe. We don't make much money off these videos. We don't make anything off these videos, but eventually, hopefully, we'll be able to make a little bit of money. If we do ever make anything off of them, buy more stuff, do more reviews. It'll definitely help fund this project. The Battlebot project is going to be a pretty good size build. It's not going to be a small one. It's going to be a 250-pound machine. So, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.